Hi there. I'm in the process of making a new running mechanism for my electric garage door. The other one was made out of plastic and it broke some time ago. So I'm making it out of this piece of aluminium, and I've made some runners on the lathe, and so far so good. I want to make some other components for the side to attach the sort of drive mechanism, and so far I've been hand filing the sides of this aluminium, which is quite time consuming. I'm just wondering whether I can try some basic milling on my new lathe. So I'll just give it a try. So see you in a bit. So what I'm thinking of trying to do is to mill the side of this flat. Now I've not got a milling attachment for this lathe, so I thought I'd try and use the quick change tool post. But before attaching this to the quick change tool post, I thought I should check that the quick change tool post is running at 90 degrees to the chuck, sort of with the cross slide. So I've just put a dial on here and set it to 0. The cross slide is as far back as it can come, and if I move the cross slide in, so that's gone in 5 centimetres, and it's run out by 5 thou. Now I have tried to adjust this to get a better reading, but I've failed really. And to adjust it, I've just undone this nut and just moved the tool post slightly. But that's the best I can get at the moment. I don't know whether that's good or bad. 5 thou over 5 centimetres. But we'll crack on. So this piece of aluminium is 6mm in thickness, and I've put it in the quick change tool post holder and adjusted the holder so that the cutter, which is 9mm, will actually cut the whole of this width in one go. Now the cross slide is fully to the rear of the machine, so I'm going to draw the piece of stock this way, because I think that's the best way of doing it. Okay, so it's not cut anything at this stage, so wind it back. And I'll move the compound in at 10 thou. And try again. Move it in another 10 thou. And bring the cross slide back. That looks pretty good. Very happy with that. I mean, the only drawback with this lathe is, you know, you've got a maximum sort of depth there of about 5 centimetres. So you can't go the whole length of this piece of aluminium. But nevertheless, quite happy with that. Well, that was an interesting little exercise. I repeated the process on the other side, so I just reversed this in the quick change tool post, and I'm really happy with the result. And really is a straight edge. So I hope you found that useful. See you later.